Digital door locks. Honeywell digital door locks provide security for your home with a convenient keyless entry function. The digital door locks install in minutes with pre-drilled holes in the door. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. The package contents include an adjustable latch, mounting kit, instructions, and a drilling template. All Honeywell door locks are backed by a limited lifetime mechanical and finish warranty. Features: Honeywell electronic digital deadbolts feature traditional key access as well as the ability to unlock with a programmable 4 to 8-digit user code. The owner has up to 50 different user codes and can delete them as desired. The antique brass electronic digital deadbolt allows you to set an automatic lock function that will return the deadbolt to the locked position. The vacation mode puts the system into a low power state, disabling all buttons and functions until reactivated. Quality made. As a Honeywell brand licensee, we have a responsibility to conduct ourselves with the highest levels of integrity in everything we do. This helps us sustain the credibility of the brand, maintain the strong reputation, and build on our track record of growth and performance. From the shop floor to the boardroom, all Honeywell licensees and representatives are held to the highest standard, and we exceed all laws and regulations in the countries where we do business. Secure. Honeywell safes, paper shredders, and door locks are manufactured and distributed exclusively by LH Licensed Products Incorporated. These products provide security and safety for your important and irreplaceable documents and your most valuable personal possessions. We offer products that help deliver peace of mind by protecting your belongings against damage or loss in the event of fires, floods and other natural disasters, as well as unauthorized intrusion and invasion of your home and office. Trusted company. The Honeywell trademark is licensed from Honeywell International Incorporated, a Fortune 100 company that invents and manufactures technologies to address some of the world's toughest challenges linked to global macro trends such as energy efficiency, clean energy generation, safety and security, globalization and customer productivity. Technology from Honeywell International Incorporated is in 150 million homes and 10 million buildings worldwide.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,